What is up? What is up? What is up? I don't have my mic on, so let's see if this works. So, yeah, usually whenever I'm filming in an area where, it's a nice way to put it, there's not a lot of people that look like me, I get the cops called on me. And it happens often. I don't usually get fully harassed and stretched out. Sometimes it happens. This was a time where it didn't. I just had some, they just wanted to see what was going on. Because you can't be filming at a park in the middle of the day. Even though there's 50,000 creeps that's at the park just sitting in their car for no reason, I got a van. Even though it's wrapped, it's not a creeper van. It's Ford Transit Connect. Cops got to come out there and see what's going on and ask you all these questions. And, thank God today I got it where it was some guys that were a little bit camera guys, so we got to talk a little camera stuff. However, it's not always the case. So what do you do if you're in a situation like that? You play it cool, you continue to do your job, and you try to be respectful. It's rough, it's tough, especially with what's going on in the world today. But I'm there to do a job, and the goal is to remain professional. And usually stuff blow over. I got to the point where I don't even take it personal no more. Like I almost expect it. Especially when they call a second car. When they call a second car, you know what's up. So if you're ever in that situation, which it will probably happen, depending on where you are, you're walking around with something black in your hand. It look like, you got a 70-200 on it. It looked like it's a AK-47 or whatever to people who are scared of you or people who think you are a threat. You just got to keep working, man. Keep your head up. Stay professional. Keep doing your job. Act as though you're in a UPS truck. Act as though you're in a Comcast truck. And just do what you do. Often, sometimes the cops get called to the scene and like even they are pissed. Like, why did I get called out here for this? Like, you good, bro? I'm good. So, there are times though, I'm not going to BS you. There are times where I'm stretched out and they search through stuff and, I may have to get handcuffed and sit on the curb so they can feel comfortable until they figure it out. Just be patient. It sucks. It sucks. It sucks. But that's the America we live in. So remain professional. Do what you got to do to get through the situation. And make sure you come out on the other side, unscathed. Yeah, you're going to waste a little time. Yeah, you're going to be inconvenienced. But what else you going to do, fam? So, if you're better at how you handle it, you can get through it faster. If you start acting weird, stuff gonna get weird. So, a day like today, it was 2 cars. They stayed there they didn't leave until I was getting ready to leave. And then as I was loading up, they approached me to just, they pulled right behind the truck. So I know they ran the plate. I know they were just trying to see what was up. And they were kind of like, yeah, we just came out here to see what was going on. Got some calls. So it is what it is, bro. It's just a part of the business. Depending on where you are in the country, depending on what you look like and what you're doing, it's just life. So remain professional and you will get through it. You gotta keep sandbags in your truck. Gotta keep sandbags in your truck. Gosh, it's such an important lesson. Get you about 8 of them and just keep them in your truck at all times. Going with the light storms outdoors, a little bit of softbox action. Of course, we're rocking the pocket cinema camera today with the Tamron 70-200 and the OC 3000 nit monitor. It's a beast. Going with old reliable here, all running off of V-mount.